Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. This is Kisi Tech at your service, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of iNfiNix, specifically focusing on one of their flagship devices, the iNfiNix Hot 40 Pro. If you're a proud owner of this stellar smartphone, then you're definitely in the right place because today we're going to explore an important aspect of device maintenance, the LCD replacement. The iNfiNix Hot 40 Pro has quickly gained popularity for its impressive features, sleek design, and competitive price point. It's a device built for those who want performance and style without breaking the bank. But as with any smartphone, wear and tear are inevitable. The LCD screen is one of the most vulnerable parts of your device. Whether it's accidental drops, pressure damage, or just regular usage over time, the LCD can develop issues like cracks, dead pixels, discoloration, or complete failure. So why is the LCD replacement important? Well, the LCD is the core component that displays all your visuals, from the home screen, apps, videos, games, to your photos. A damaged LCD not only hampers your user experience, but can sometimes lead to further internal damage if not addressed promptly. Replacing the LCD can restore your device's visual clarity, touch responsiveness, and overall functionality. Let's break down what you need to know about LCD replacement for the iNfiNix Hot 40 Pro. Signs that your LCD needs replacing: cracks or shattered glass on the screen, unresponsive touch or dead spots, discoloration, flickering, or dim display, lines or streaks across the screen, complete black or white screen. Why DIY replacement might be challenging. Replacing the LCD isn't a simple task. It requires precision, proper tools, and some technical know-how. The iNfiNix Hot 40 Pro has a delicate internal structure, and improper handling can lead to further damage. If you're not experienced with smartphone repairs, it's highly advisable to seek professional help. Professional repair versus DIY. Professional repair ensures proper handling, warranty, and quality parts. Most official service centers or trusted third-party repair shops can do this efficiently. DIY repair. Cost-effective and satisfying if done correctly. You'll need specific tools such as a plastic pry tool, suction cup, tweezers, heat gun, and replacement LCD assembly. What to expect during the replacement process? Power off the device completely. Remove the back cover carefully, often with a heat gun to loosen adhesive. Disconnect the battery to prevent short circuits. Detach the display assembly, which may involve removing screws and connectors. Carefully detach the cracked or malfunctioning LCD. Attach the new LCD assembly, ensuring all connectors are secure. Reassemble the device and test the new display. Product link and where to buy quality. Replacement parts. For those considering DIY, it's crucial to get high-quality LCD replacement kits to ensure longevity and performance. The product link for the iNfiNix Hot 40 Pro LCD replacement parts is in the description below. Make sure to choose parts from reputable suppliers to avoid issues like poor display quality or compatibility problems. Tips for a successful replacement. Follow detailed tutorials or guides specific to iNfiNix Hot 40 Pro. Work in a clean, well-lit environment. Keep track of all screws and small components. Use anti-static wristbands to prevent static damage. Test the device thoroughly before sealing everything back up. Aftercare and maintenance. Once your LCD is replaced, consider implementing a few best practices. Use a screen protector to prevent future cracks. Avoid dropping the device or applying excessive pressure. Keep your device clean and free from moisture. Regularly backup data in case of future issues. In conclusion, replacing the LCD on your iNfiNix Hot 40 Pro can breathe new life into your device, restoring its visual clarity and touch responsiveness. Whether you opt for professional repair services or a DIY approach, understanding the process and precautions is key to ensuring a successful upgrade. If you're interested in purchasing quality LCD replacement parts, don't forget to check the product link in the description below. We've curated trusted sources to help you get the best quality parts for your device. Thanks for tuning into Kisi Tech. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth tech guides, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions or experiences with LCD replacements in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay innovative, stay tech savvy.